Hi, it's Brooke with WTI.
If you are done struggling when it comes to opening a bottle of wine, you definitely want to check out this by TOMEEM. This is their electric wine gift set. It's rechargeable and it comes with this 4-in-1, everything you need, an aerator, which is beautiful and makes you feel like you're on a vacation. Aerates my wine so well. It even has this foil cutter, which makes access to the cork so quick and convenient, and a wine stopper that vacuum seals it so you pull out that air and preserve your wine a bit longer. My favorite is definitely this wine opener because it pulls out the cork with a push of the button and releases the cork as well. This has been really fun, easy to use. It makes the whole experience, instead of stressful to get into that bottle of wine, very enjoyable and fun. And if you're all about hospitality or just pouring a beautiful drink and making the experience way more fun, I definitely recommend this. This is a rechargeable electric wine opener, and the quality of this is really ideal. I'm loving it. It's a wonderful value. And once you get used to luxury, there is no turning back.
We love it, but that's just my point of view.